guys, I'm so excited for this video because today we're going to be making my own recipe of mint iced tea. Now, you've definitely heard of iced tea, right? Well, this is my version of mint iced tea. Now, I've made this a couple times and it's really simple actually. You just have to get some mint. So you can buy it from the store or you can get your own if you have some in your garden. I have a bunch of mint here, and if you have some in your garden, and if you might have some in your garden, here are 3 tips to know how you have mint. So some of you guys might recognize mint as a gum or something like that, but mint actually comes from a plant, as you guys probably know. And so the plant, this is one of their leaves. You can recognize it by the bumps or by the taste or by how it smells. Now I'm going to grab a bowl. We're going to have a normal small bowl, and now we're going to collect mint. That was quick. Now we'll go up and we'll get starting. Go to the table. Here we are, and here are some things you'll need. You'll need this to strain out your mint. And if you'd like for it to be easier, you can have a water bottle, since then you don't have to walk back and forth. And of course you need some big, whatever you want, depending on how much you're making it. You could also just use a water bottle. Now I'm going to add water. Remember, don't add too much water because then it might be too plain for you. Don't forget to wash the mint before that you use it, or else it might be a little dirty. I'm gonna mash with whatever you could use. I'm just gonna use this because it's easy. Now this is how the water looks now. Very clear and like normal water. This is the water after that I stamped it all out. Looks very different. Now you grab your bowl with everything in it and you pour it in. And this is why I have a strainer. I'm going to repeat that process a million times until I have enough that I can, well, finish and drink. I also recommend watering it down a little. This is what I eventually got, but do not pause the video yet and go away. I still need to add one more thing. It's honey. You don't have to add honey, but it adds this little sweet taste that's also a little nice. So I'm going to do it, and you can too. Just add a little bit, and then stir it around. That's all you'll need to make mint iced tea. The step is to sit down and enjoy. Good.